What's up, YouTube? This is your boy Thru Charlie once again with another video for you guys. And guess what? Nothing big today, just an update for you guys. Before we continue with the updates, I'm just gonna run some errands and I'll be right back with you guys. Alright guys, so I am back and I'm pretty much done with my first errand. Or it's part of my only errand I have today actually. Since I'm in this area, I'm gonna take you guys to a different spot. I haven't been there in a good minute. Maybe it's probably been a year since I've been there. Hopefully it's not packed. But before we go to that spot, I want to take you guys to a little tunnel run. I like to go to. It's the only one in Fort Lauderdale that I'm aware of, and it makes your car sound pretty cool. So I'll see you guys there, but that's gonna be a POV shot because it won't look cool through this angle. So I'll see you guys. Alright guys, I'm coming up to the tunnel right now, and I'm gonna lower the windows because that's the way you guys can hear it better. It might get windy. Oh well, let's see. Alright, that sounded really good. That is your VQ platform, guys. VQ 3.7 all day. But anyways, I might have to come back later tonight to get a better clip because that was a lot of traffic. I would have gone a little bit faster, but oh well. Alright, let me see if I can find the other spot for you guys. I forgot to get there. Alright guys, so you guys saw the tunnel run. It sounds amazing. And you know what guys, the sound sounds so good on the Z. The 3.7 V6 with all the mods I have on my Z, it sounds really good. I can't even say how good it sounds. I don't know if the mic picked it up or not, but it sounds good, really good. But before we continue on this update, I just have to say, alright guys, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Leave some comments what you guys would like to see on my video, future videos, whatever you guys want. Let me know. I'll try to get to them. And you know what guys, let's go back to the video. So the updates on the Z, I'm doing some minor updates on the Z. So first thing first, you guys probably seen it in my previous videos or pics on my IG. It's really, I would say a little embarrassing, but it was a mistake not that long ago. And it's my front bumper. It's damaged right on the lip, split right crack in the middle. So guys, it's a little embarrassing, but I didn't know I needed a second part when I bought the Nismo bumper for the Z. So it's dumb, but and expensive, so stupid expensive for that plastic piece. So overall guys, that's getting fixed, and my side skirt is getting fixed. You might have seen it in pictures. I try to hide it in the pictures so you guys don't see it, but sometimes I can't avoid it. But my side skirt is falling down. My driver's side side skirt is falling. It was the dumbest, not the dumbest, it was a rookie, no, yeah, it was a dumb mistake. It was a dumb mistake. And guys, just a quick story on it. I was parked next to a medium and I aired up, and then I took off, I aired up and I drove off, and I thought there was no medium next to me. I just did a really sharp right turn and I hit the crap out of the medium. So sorry guys, that was a mistake of mine. So guys, that's two things getting fixed. There's a reasons why they're getting fixed in this month. Is guys, yes, I have entered into Low and Clean Auto Show. I'm going to be a part of the outdoor auto show. I'm going to be parked out in front of the my Z is going to be out there parked up in front of all the cars. So I think I honestly don't know if it's being judged or not. The information is not 100%, but my car is going to be there, and I'm gonna be there. Daredevil's gonna be there. Daredevil's not gonna be on part of the show, but guys, Daredevil's gonna be in the parking lot. So I just want to say, guys, I'll be out there. Support your boy. Show up. Say what's up. I'd like to meet you guys. So I'll be in Miami June 15th, Low and Clean Auto Show. They host it once a year. I was there last year, but I was a spectator. And yo, it was fun. It was packed, and there's live music, food. You guys can name it. They sell stickers. You can name it all. A lot and low and clean cars there, guys. You'll be surprised how many cars are out there. So besides that, that's the updates I have for you guys. And I didn't mention who's fixing the repairs on my Z. It's a good shop that I go to all the time when I have issues with the Z. And guys, they take care of you real good. And they call Slammer Inc. They do a hell of a job. Reliable. They always make sure it's 100%. Your car could be running great. I had no issues with them. I've been working with them for 8 years now. I'll say 8 years I've known this shop, and hands down, one of the best works I know down here in South Florida. So guys, don't forget, check out Slimmer Inc. Besides that, I'm hoping the other thing is gonna be a little surprise for everybody. I don't know if I'm going to announce it or not, or it's a minor thing, honestly, but you guys it's noticeable. But hopefully I'll have it ready by June 15th. And guys, I'm making some moves. I'm trying to get into the auto shows, see how my car can make it there. Guys, I'm just trying something different. I never entered before, so guys, it's gonna be fun. I want you guys to be there. And this is just an update for you guys, just something minor, nothing too crazy. Guys, you can leave comments what you guys want to see in the future videos or cars. If you want me to review your cars, I'll review them. We can schedule something out. But overall, guys, I'm making moves, and I want you guys to be part of it. I want you to see my journey. And guys, I will be recording on June 15th because it's gonna be hard for me to record June 15th because I'm not very good at talking to the camera yet. You guys can see. I'll be seeing you guys out there, and I'm hoping some of you guys come out, support, talk, chill, talk about Z stuff, Z stuff. And, the real big update on the channel is actually I'm gonna be posting videos every Tuesday. That's my schedule. Every Tuesday I'll be posting one video a week. And guys, I'm gonna try to keep my word to it. Tuesdays I upload. It could be anytime during the day. I'm gonna try to post in the mornings, but it's gonna be Tuesdays for sure. Tuesdays. And guys, I'm gonna have it ready for you guys now. So, like I was saying, minor updates coming for the Z. That sounds so good. Alright guys, so I'm back. I just finished talking to Danny from Slammer, and he's helping me out with the coil tin. Like I was saying, he got me some good prices, and I know he's a good, reliable person, and I know he's going to take care of the job right. And the Z will probably be in surgery next week, minor surgery. So stuff does happen, bad luck does happen to your cars. Just don't take it too down. I've been up and down with the Z a lot throughout the last 7 years. Like the front bumper, I was upset about. Side skirt, I was upset about it because it just looks ugly. But I just had to deal with it. Sometimes you just have to take the bad with the good. And guys, it's just part of life. And you learn your lessons from it too. So I learned my lesson. Do my research. Pay attention to my surroundings. Just take the bad with the good, guys. Sometimes you just have to deal with the situations. Like, just remember the good times, and remember, there's always be bad times with anything. So Like example, my bumper, I was excited, got it, and damaged it because I didn't do more research. And same thing with my side skirt. Well, not same thing. Side skirt, I just paid attention to my surroundings and just pay attention to my surroundings. So, guys, I don't know what to say, but I had a fun time driving around, talking to you guys. See if I could get some revs for you. See if I can get something for you guys. That sounds really good, guys. That sounds really good. Oh, maybe I got some. But that was like my update on the Z and the channel. Like, Z is getting worked on and posting every week, every Tuesdays during the morning, during the day. I figured out a schedule for what's gonna work for me. All right, I'm trying to end the videos for you guys. So, like I was saying, pay attention to your surroundings, because if you don't, you'll damage your car like I did with my side skirt. So, besides that, do your research on your cars and see if any add-ons needs additional stuff. Like my front bumper needed other additional part to make it stable, but I didn't know that and damaged my front bumper. So besides that, you just gotta take the bad with the good. Sometimes the bad will bring some good memories and enjoy some times with your cars. So let's leave it like that, guys, and I'll see you guys later.